Don't even think it would have even been a thought at that point in time. None of my family works in the police force. It wasn't something that anybody I really knew did.
People who think that the cadets is just for people who want to join the police, but I've been in cadets with people who have just come for the experience.
Crime prevention, that was the team that I started volunteering in. That was something I was quite passionate about because we'd been burgled previously, so part of that was going out and talking to people.